Tires for skid steer loaders Part 1. Skid steer tires have a big effect on productivity and safety, whether you are doing landscaping, excavation, road work, general dirt work, mining, or other skid steer loader applications. If you are not using the right type of tire for the job, performance suffers. Along with choosing the appropriate tire type for the work, it's also important to closely inspect tires regularly for damage. Proactive maintenance prevents tires and rims from becoming unserviceable, which obviously necessitates more costly replacement. Check for wear, punctures, rim damage, and other problems to avoid unsafe, inefficient operations and the potential to ruin parts. Here are 7 types of skid steer tires and what they're typically used for. Standard pneumatic tires are for light to moderate general dirt applications, road work, landscaping, excavation, material handling, stockpiling, and agriculture stand compounds, or extra material that overlaps the edge of the rim. They're made from durable natural rubber, and they come with lots of tread options and in radial or bias ply variations. Premium pneumatic tires are similar to standard pneumatic tires and are generally used for the same applications. However, they're augmented for extra durability and protection with features like an extra layer of sidewall rubber, where resin work. Flotation tires have a bigger footprint and tighter tread, making them well suited to general dirt work, agriculture work, landscaping, excavating, and ship trimming performed in soft, wet, muddy, or sandy ground conditions. Different available tread patterns accommodate different applications requiring high flotation. For more information call 214-773-0207 or visit celiarconstructionequipment.com.